structures now. So we're going to go ahead and start off with number one. Number one on your packet is the lobe. So this is number one. This is the earlobe here. One of the best things or easiest things to find the earlobe on yourself is that there's no cartilage on the earlobe. From earlobe, we're going to move on to number two, tragus, which is this section right here. And then we're going to do the supratragic notch. Supratragic notch is this little area right in here, supratragic notch. And then we have our infratragic notch, which is right in here for number four. Number five is our antitragus. So again, number two is tragus, number five is antitragus, number six is antihelix. So this structure right here is antihelix. I want you to notice between five, which is your antitragus, there is another structure right here. This is number 16. This is your helix tragic notch. You should be able to feel that on yourself. There's a change in cartilage going from antitragus to antihelix. Okay, so it takes us back to antihelix, which is number six. Then we have our superior antihelix crus, which is this one. This separates, this is antihelix, this is my superior antihelix crus. This is my inferior antihelix crus. This is my triangular fossa. That takes us to the helix, that takes us to the scapha. Scapha is number 10. All of this is scapha. And then that takes us to 11, which is helix. Helix all the way here, helix, helix, helix actually goes all the way and is even the bottom of the earlobe. So that's all helix. Number 12 is my helix crus. Notice that for number 12, for that helix crus, it is just this section. It has to be right by our conchas, which are these other points. So we have our Simba concha for 13. We have our cavum concha for 14. Number 15 is our external auditory meatus. And then again, 16 is our helix tragic notch. And our last one that we are covering is 17, which is our helix tubercle, is this little area right here, which is also known as Darwin's tubercle.